Kavit KKL, and joining me today is Vimika Nair, my friend. Today we are going to do a reaction of Hum Saath Saath, a revisit from Only Desi. It came out in July 17, 2009, and it has around 80,000 upvotes. So it is one of the fantastic things, I guess. Every time I watch Only Desi, it's one of the greatest things. What he picks out from the things from the movies is like amazing. We always miss out the things when we watch the movie, and he picks out all the things which is not visible to the naked eye whenever we very minute thing. He sees all these things, 3 to 4 times all the movies, and then it's amazing. It's amazing. We will talk about it after the things has been done, but it has around 1 million views, so I guess it's absolutely fantastic. It has won Hum Saath Saath Hai. It was a blockbuster movie when it came out because it was like having a family reunion touch, and everyone wanted something like that. All the songs, and it was so good to watch it on screen. But before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also bell icon show. Never miss any updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'm description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I'd love to hear from you guys too. So without further ado,
let's start.
भैया, जब आप आसपास गरीबी देखते हैं तो कभी कभी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता?
You know the case?
By the director of मैंने प्यार किया with Ray. हम आपके हैं कौन? With Ray brings you another same संस्कारी with that is going to be the biggest blockbuster of the year. हम साथ साथ है. It's about संस्कार, values and parenting, जिससे हम सबको एक बहुत ही important message मिलता है कि एक माँ सौतेली हो तो प्रॉब्लम होगी ही बहन.
अब तीनों का बंटवारा कर दीजिए.
Meet Rajput family who lives in a rich neighborhood of building posters.
Right.
Works at a green screen factory.
That is
and dance
scene,
with a CGI peacock. You know everything is fake when you see the same painting literally in everyone's house.
Oh my God! Damn!
It's a story about 3 brothers और उनकी बहन संगीता जो क्या बोल रही है किसी को घंटा समझ नहीं आएगा.
तुमने औरत को समझा नहीं भैया. वो अंधेरों से नहीं डरती. जब वो फैसला कर लेती है तो मन में विश्वास का दिया जलाकर उसे अपनी मांग का सिंदूर बना लेती है.
ऐसे कौन बात करता है बे? Meet her stepbrother Vivek, oldest son of the family, and his खुजली problem.
Oh God, यार.
Erection छुपाना तो कोई विवेक भैया से सीखे. घर में संस्कार की ट्रेनिंग देते हैं रामकिशन जी, जो इतने संस्कारी है कि कीबोर्ड्स के बटन दबाए बिना ही टाइप कर लेते हैं.
Oh God.
ये सब संस्कारों का खेल है.
उनका सपना है
कि कुछ ऐसा करवाऊं कि गांव वालों को कभी काम की तलाश में अपने परिवार से अलग कहीं दूर ना जाना पड़े.
और इसीलिए उन्होंने एक एजुकेटेड एनआरआई, एक कॉलेज टॉपर और एक डॉक्टर को अपने घर कुक की नौकरी दी है.
जहाँ घर की लेडीज और बच्चियां हमें अपने हाथों से प्यार से खाना खिलाएं, वही घर है.
After being somebody zoned for a decade, finally his wife is Rima Lagu, or should I say Rima Bai Lagu. Sorry. So be ready for who loves, and apparently they both are very. Trust me, दोनों को मूवी में डायलॉग्स नहीं, बस बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक दिया गया है. Spent almost the entire movie प्रेम की तारीफों में, because you know वो तो
संत आदमी है, किसी को तकलीफ नहीं देना चाहते. प्रेम.
इस लड़के का क्या होगा?
प्रेम
भैया आ गए.
प्रेम
भैया आप तो भगवान. प्रेम को पता नहीं कौन सी बीमारी है, लेकिन वो किसी से फेस टू फेस बात नहीं करता. But प्रेम knows how to make Preeti wet.
हलवा बहुत अच्छा बना था, दोबारा जरूर बनाना.
I used to love her, यार.
ये सब संस्कारों का खेल है.
But after engagement, प्रेम फाइनली शर्माना छोड़ के प्रीति को वहां ले जाएगा जहां हर हस्बैंड शादी के बाद वाइफ को ले जाता है, किचन में. क्योंकि फैमिली की पॉलिसी तो पता है ना.
जहाँ घर की लेडीज और बच्चियां हमें अपने हाथों से प्यार से खाना खिलाएं.
Meet youngest son of the. You know what? ये कुछ खास नहीं है, जाने दो. And in an occasion, Sadhana is very impressed by this family's चोदू बनाओ schemes. I mean, look at भाई. उनको घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता इस बात से कि इस गाने में कहीं भी इलेक्ट्रिक गिटार यूज नहीं हुआ है.
Oh yeah, right man. Oh yeah, right.
पकड़ना है. और फिर फैमिली में आती है जिसका मुझे हम सबको बेसब्री से इंतजार था, भाभी।
अरे मामा जी, हमारी ट्यूनिंग अलग है।
हैं?
भाभी।
मेरी भी ट्यूनिंग अलग ही है। एंड आफ्टर अ पारिवारिक सुहाग रात, इट्स टाइम फॉर अ सामूहिक हनीमून।
भाभी को हनीमून पे कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं?
भैया स्विट्जरलैंड।
पेरिस।
और फिर भाभी फाइनली कहती है, मैं, प्रेम, प्रीति, विनोद और संगीता ब्लैक बक केस में चले। एंड प्रेम इज लाइक और फिर प्रेम सबको रामपुर ले जाएगा, बट हिज फैमिली लेट हिम रेस्ट फ्रॉम ड्राइविंग, स्पेशली जब बस के सामने कोई हो। बट यू विल सी सॉफ्ट
My
साइड ऑफ प्रेम, जहाँ वो लोगों की हेल्प करता है, जैसे दिस ब्लाइंड लेडी। अरे पहली बार भाई कुछ किया और आई विटनेस भी है। लेकिन ममता इज सैड क्योंकि
हमारी बेटी आज अपने ही घर से बेघर कर दी गई है।
और इसीलिए वो चाहती है कि विवेक, प्रेम और विनोद के बीच बराबर का बंटवारा हो जाए। ओके, सो यू आर डूइंग दिस बिकॉज़ आपकी बेटी घर से बेघर कर दी गई है और आप उसी बेटी को छोड़ के प्रॉपर्टी में हिस्सा सिर्फ बेटों को दोगे। अच्छा,
Oh,
हाँ,
yeah,
संसार की सबसे
man.
बेटी तो पराया धन होती है ना। एंड देन विवेक सिंगल हैंडेडली कंट्रोल्स द सिचुएशन बाय लिविंग द हाउस, ताकि फाइनली बच्चे पैदा कर सकें, वरना
Oh,
उस घर में
God.
पूजा और हवन से किसको फुर्सत है। मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, हाथ पाने के लिए वर्जिनिटी खोना पड़ता है। हम 60-70 सब संस्कारी हैं। Oh, hello Daisies! If you enjoyed the video, then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're Sanskari, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
भाभी जान, पहचानिए सबको, ये है विवेक भैया।
कैसे पता?
जी।
So, what do you think?
So firstly, about this fellow who notices all the kind of details.
Yes, yes.
That's really awesome.
Yeah.
And in this, the painting thing,
Huh.
which is at every place,
Yes,
the
yes,
same paintings are visible.
yes. You know, you won't notice that there is one more thing which he did, that मैंने प्यार किया. It was same director actually, and he kept the statues of same statues
Yeah.
outside this thing, the home, inside the home, everywhere. And he
Everywhere the
noticed
same.
that. He noticed that. It was absolutely amazing how he noticed. He watches all the frames actually, not just the movie, all the frames 3 to 4 times to take what actually it is like, you know, missed out by the director while making the movie or
Yeah.
editing it. Absolutely
Even
amazing.
the people in the background who are doing something or the other, but
Yeah,
that
I mean,
has not been noticed.
Yeah, that has not been noticed when the movie has been made, or like when
Correct.
editing, or like when the whole scene has been shot. I mean, like he does exactly what we missed when we actually watched
Watch
the
the
movie.
movie.
Absolutely amazing. Sonali Bendre, everybody had a crush on her when she came on Hum Saath Saath Hain. I'm like, if we want a girl like that, it would be Sonali
Sonali
Bendre.
Bendre.
But she's not speaking too much, but at the same point of time, she looks lovely, so lovely. Like people would just like fall and have a crush on her the moment she smiles.
Yeah. Like
Amazing. Simplicity
has
to the
been-
core, to the
Yeah,
core.
yes.
Absolutely amazing there. And the way they portrayed it, I mean, Salman Khan and Sonali Bendre was actually, everyone wanted to be like them. Another couple. This was like, a perfect couple that every family wanted in their home.
Couple
like.
goals.
Couple goals, yeah. That was 90s couples goals, that point of time. This actually, the whole thing was actually having a black bug case thing, when Salman Khan was actually killed a black bug, and it has not been proven or like it changed or something like that, but this was the movie when the whole black bug thing was happening. Yeah, one more thing. This actually, if you might not be knowing this, but this whole channel is actually inspired from a Hollywood version of Honest Trailers.
Oh.
They actually have taken this thing, like a permission from all the directors and the producers when the particular movie comes out in Hollywood. Be it is like a big movie or small movie, something. If it gets famous, you get an honest trailer about that. And they show the movie, they show the trailer, and he does this exact same thing. Actually, he actually copied what they are doing it. But what they do is like they actually point out the same things which is not visible to the naked eye. At the same point of time, they show what was actually missing. If it was the logic was missing, or it was not in a proper sense, or what was proper and everything else was not good. Like there was a movie Batman v Superman and Justice League in the Hollywood. Everyone had speculated that the Batman, what's changed, like the person who was playing the Batman was changed, and he would not do the justice to the Batman as a character. But it turned out that he was the only one, the proper one, and the rest of the whole crew was pathetic. So it was, and they actually pointed out, and it was so suitably pointed out, the people actually accepted that fact because it was true. So it was actually inspired from the Honest Tailors. The Screen Junkies, this is the name of the page, and they take out Honest Tailors from that. And one more thing is like at the end, what he says that he introduces each and every character, that Prem, Rima, Pai, Lagu, and it is actually inspired from that. This is the way they do it. They change the name according to the character which they play in that particular movie. This is what is actually this all about. So this is like, if you see that Honest Tailors, Honest Viva, Honest Hum Saath Saath, Honest Bagwan, it is actually what is the name was Honest Tailors, which just came out from that, and he did the name Revisit. So this was it. This was the reaction. I hope you liked it. I would like to request you to give a big thumbs up this particular video so that I know that you like my reaction, like our reaction, and I will try and motivate to do more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so never miss any update from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, or give me feedback, I would love to hear you guys too. So until next reaction, next revisit, next review, I would request you to stay connected.